Hey everyone, welcome to Davos video and our WikidPad reference tutorial. Today we're going to be going over how to get rid of ScratchPad in the tree. Let's get started. So you can see here that ScratchPad is visible in my tree, but if I were to go through all of my links all the way through this page, you wouldn't find a single link to ScratchPad in the page. ScratchPad is a useful tool if you need to sketch out certain ideas or try out different functions. My personal preference, however, is to only have the links that I create show up in my tree. So I like to remove ScratchPad from the visibility in the tree. To do that, we're going to go to the Extra tab up here. We're going to go to Options. Under Options, we're going to go to Current Wiki. And then if you look here on the right, it says Force ScratchPad Visibility in Tree. We're going to go ahead and deselect that. Okay, now that you have that deselected, go ahead and click OK. Your tree should repopulate like you just saw mine do, and ScratchPad should no longer be visible. However, should you wish to use ScratchPad, just go ahead and click on Views, go to Parent List Nodes, and ScratchPad is there and available to you, as well as Wiki Settings, which controls all of your global settings. For instance, my global language is set as English. This enables my spell add-on, which I went over how to download and install in another video, and that is how you get rid of ScratchPad in your tree. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time with more videos.